Hey YouTube, it's Hayden Ather here again. Today I have a computer. This is not the one that you saw in my Coca-Cola commercial. This is a different computer. It's a Dell Dimension 8400. But today I'm going to do something super special. I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to show you the computer in action if it works. So here's what we're going to be unboxing, VGA cable. So I'm just going to put my camera on the tripod so I can film the video easily. I am back, and I forgot to mention to you when the video started that this will be my first ever unboxing, not my only one, but, okay, so here's the VGA cable. I got it at Fry's. It was a great deal. This is a 6-foot VGA monitor cable, HD 15 male to male. It was great price, only $6. And this is a 6-foot cable. So I'm just gonna open it up. From Fry's, I have to mention. You should drop by there. Great store. So here's the cable itself. I am just going to unwrap that and plug it into the computer, so I will be right back. Well, now that that's all done, we're gonna put the keyboard and mouse there, so, yeah. Well, now that that's all done, we're gonna turn it on. We have power, Dimension 8400, yay! Okay, so I am going to continue process of starting it up, and it works. We have power. As you can see, mouse, keyboard, monitor, and this amazing machine of awesomeness. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. There's a USB keyboard and a USB keyboard and headphone jack, and there's the things for it. I probably shouldn't show you the service tag so no one can hack in to anything, and it works. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.